Here we are, Marshall, pulsing it with about 85 watts, 90 watts on this band. SWR's a 1.1, 1.2 to 1 SWR input. I think it looks great. And output power, a little over 1200 watts. And you can see the meters are all the same here, right? And let's hit the grid current. There's the grid current putting out 1250 watts. It's at the very first line there. Whoop. Not bad. Well, Marshall, that concludes the test. We're pulsing it here. You can see the thing running. You can see the tubes glowing. Oh yeah, it's getting warm. I had the fan on high. Put it on high here for you. And we'll put it on high. We're still pulsing. Oh yeah. Pulsing it right up. Marshall, everything looks good to me. I don't see anything whatsoever wrong anywhere. You know, the only little thing we did find was the plate cap, you know, the solder joint there. But that's okay now. I soldered that good. I haven't had to touch anything. Everything is good. You can see the amp is still running here. It's still pulsing full power. If I had 100 watts, I know it could be tweaked and peaked a little bit more. The settings for 160, the plate is at 58, and the load is at 87, 88. And there's a tune-up chart in the book here, and you can see it right here. And the tune-up chart's very, very close. If you start with those numbers, you're almost right on the money. So this one says 90 and 80. The others are very close. 10 meters, no output power. This has 10 meters down, no output power. I did not test it for 17 or 12 meters. He doesn't have any dials written in. And, you know, I'm not sure exactly. Maybe you can do 17 meters if you get close. I'll let you try it. All the rest of these here, very close when you dialed up the full output power. As you reduce the power, they change. But on full output power, they're very close to these numbers with a 1-to-1 SWR into the dummy load. Okay, so we're giving it the rate break in here. And you can see the output power hasn't dropped down a hair. No, we're still running full bore here. We got the fan on high, keeping the tubes cool. And we'll do it from up above here. And look at those things glow, huh? They are glowing. So this test is concluded. There's nothing to adjust. Everything is just the way it should be. No crackles, no pops. You can see I'm still pulsing it. Same thing as sideband, 1250 watts. Yeah, the input power is about 90 watts on 160. Not bad for me for this here. So there you go. That's that LK500 amp supply ZC. I guess one of the latest ones made. And there you go. Look at that thing, huh? Wow. That's really glowing. Okay, I'll send these off to you, Marshall.